solve the problem. What's my last step?
Solve the problem.
Yeah, you guys know the steps so well. Okay, so I'm going to drag my tiles over. 1, 2, everyone count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Miss Bears made a little mistake because she was drawing from something that copied, but it's 8, okay? Do you guys feel ready to do this all together?
Yeah.
Yes? What do you think, Midori? Thanks for answering my question. Yeah? I think you guys are ready. I think you guys have got this.
I know what to do.
You're ready to do it. Okay. You have told me this a bunch of times, Gabby. What's our first step?
What do we have to do first? Figure out what's going on.
Put 3 frogs.
Oh, wait a second. We don't know what the problem's
Wait.
about yet, right? What should we maybe do first?
Read the problem.
That is a good idea. Okay, I'm going to read the problem for us. It says Max caught 3 frogs and Sid caught 4 frogs. How many did they catch all together? Okay, our second step. Midori, do you know what we should do next? Just take a wild guess.
Oh, the camera's looking.
Thanks for listening, Gabby. Do you need some help? Okay, Gabby, what's our next step?
We don't know it's adding. Or
Yes, you remembered. We need to know if it's adding or subtracting. So Midori, what should we find out? Did you hear Gabby's answer? Gabby, can you say your answer one more time?
we don't know if it's plus or take away.
So Midori, what should we find out? Just repeat what Gabby's answer was. We need to find out if the problem is
Take away. Take away.
or plus, right? Addition or subtraction. Great listening and thinking. Okay, so I can do that. Everyone show us together with our 3 frogs. Yeah, our 4 frogs. Together, we are going to do, think about if you know whether this is addition or subtraction. Leo, do you know?
We have 3 and we have 4. We need to find out how many they have. Are we doing plus or take away?
Plus.
Yes, plus. Okay, so our third step, we've read the problem. We know it's addition. Now, what do we need to do? Gabby, do you know?
Huh?
What's our next step? We know it's addition.
Put them together.
So we're not quite at the solve yet. What should we do with our graphic organizer?
Put 3 blocks on the side.
Yes, we need to solve the problem. Yes, let's do that. Okay, everyone count with me as I do this. We're first going to do 3 blocks. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Great job. You sounded so in sync. Okay, now let's do the 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oops. Okay. And I need to write how many are in my part box. What should I write here, Midori? What number?
3.
3. And Leo, what number should I write in this part box?
4.
4. You guys have got this. Okay. Now what I need to do is, Midori, now that I've set up my problem, what's the last thing to do? Do I have my answer yet?
No.
How do I get my answer? You know this. Keep thinking. Thanks for being patient.
Take your time, Midori.
Leo, I'm going to go to you. Do you know what our last step is? Have we added or subtracted yet? Here, I'll give you guys a little hint. I know, Gabster, you know it, but
That's
I know, that's my nickname for him. I'm going to show around our steps, see if you can look what our number 4 is. Miss Walker, yes! And that says solve. So if we're going to solve, Midori, can you put your head up? Thanks. We need to move these blocks. Yes, Gabby?
We have to put them together.
We have to put them together. You are so right. Okay, everyone count with
Yes,
me.
it is.
Okay, hands off, thanks. Everyone count with me as I move the part boxes into the whole box, okay? Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
See, you guys are great counters.
Can we do it by our own this time?
We are almost ready, and I'm so happy that you feel prepared for this. Okay, we're going to do one more, but this time I'm going to ask you guys to do it while I give you directions, okay? Okay, so our first step, can everyone put their eyes on me, materials down? Thank you. Ready position, I love it. Our first step is to read the problem. So I'm going to read it carefully, and I all want you to be listening. There were 5 ducks at the pond and 2 ducks in the water. How many ducks were there in all? Okay, we've read the problem. Now we need to know, is this addition or subtraction? So everyone, with your hands out loud, say which number this part will be, which number this part will be, and then join them together.
Okay, so how many do we have here?
Okay, so what's the first part?
5. 5.
What's the second part?
2.
I'm sorry.
And what are we going to do?
I'm so sorry.
What are we going to do?
Add them together. Together.
You guys got this.
Okay,
Okay,
together.
now we need to set up the problem. So, what I have got are these yellow squares for you.
I'm sorry.
And
Squares.
We got the
Yes.
yellow squares to do adding with.
I want you to set up the problem just like I have been.
This.
Yep, okay, so how many did we have over in one box?
Okay, so this part's on your own.
5.
So do this part on your own.
But can we do it our own? We have to do it together.
So just set up the
5.
problem right now. Good question.
And then what do we do
Okay.
after we put all the boxes
So remember, when I set up the problem, I move my blocks into my part boxes if it's addition. Like you're looking at the board.
Yeah.
Can you keep up?
Finish.
Okay, make sure you write the numbers after you put in the blocks. You guys are doing amazing. We're just going to wait to let one of our friends finish.
So can you write down for me?
And make sure you write the numbers in your part boxes.
Finish.
So how many is this?
2.
Right. So write the number 2.
I finished.
Yes, you did finish. Thank you for waiting.
5.
And how many is
2.
this?
5.
Right. Okay, after you finish setting up the problem, you can solve the problem.
Okay, so how
Gabby,
many
you
do we
finished
have?
early. Great job. That's correct.
Can I erase?
Remember how she moved the boxes?
Yes, you can erase if you would like.
Don't forget eraser.
Okay, Midori, make sure you finish that problem.
So can you write that down? Okay. So
I-
remember how she would move? the
Looks
boxes?
great. You were speedy.
So can you do
Okay,
that
can
now?
you erase? Oh, I have erasers for all of you.
Okay, so how many
Erase
are all up there
and
now?
clear the deck, okay? Because we're going to do a new one.
How many do you have up there in the whole box now?
Cookie. Apple. Banana. Watermelon. 7.
Can you write that down?
Perfect.
Gimme.
Okay, thank you for sitting in right position. Thank you for having your eyes on me.
Perfect. Okay, so
Thank
now
you for your materials and your hot spot. Okay. We all know how to do this. So guess what? I'm going to let you do this one all on your own. I'll read the problem for you, but the next 3 steps, you're going to do all by yourself. Ready? Okay. Oh, are we ready? Perfect. Thank you. I love ready position. Beautiful. Mom gave Annie 4 cookies. Then she gave Ben 5 cookies. many cookies did Mom give in total? Okay,
Take away.
finish the whole problem.
Easy.
I will read it again as you solve it in case you've forgotten. Mom gave Annie 4 cookies. She gave Ben 5 cookies. How many cookies did she give altogether? Thanks for working, Gabby. I love the fierce determination.
You writing down?
This is good counting.
Put them together.
You guys are excelling.
Yeah.
Okay, so what goes up here now?
Finish early.
Okay, Midori, make sure you use those tiles.
4,
Yes, you can erase. Thank you.
6,
Faster than
7,
me.
8.
Oh, almost. I think you missed a tile. Can you count them again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so yep, just like that.
Remember that you have a part, and a whole.
9.
Wonderful. Okay, we're going to move on to our next problem. So erase and clear the deck and get ready.
So is this addition or subtraction?
Okay, I'm going to wait for all eyes on me. Thank you, everyone. Okay, there were 5 apples in a bowl and 3 apples in the fridge. How many apples were there all together? Okay, I just read the